The Mavic 2 Pro drone is equipped with a Hasselblad L1D20C camera that allows you to capture 20 megapixel aerial photos with an extraordinary level of detail. The new 1-inch CMOS sensor features an active detection area 4 times more effective than that of the original Mavic Pro. The Mavic 2 Pro supports a 10-bit log-M color profile that provides greater dynamic range for greater flexibility in the calibration. With support for the 10-bit 4K HDR format, the Mavic 2 Pro can be plugged into a 4K TV with HLG and will immediately play back videos with the right color tones. The adjustable f2.8, f11 aperture delivers exceptional image quality in both bright and low-light environments. Mavic 2 Zoom, equipped with a 2.3-inch 12-megapixel sensor with an exceptional 4x zoom that includes 2x optical zoom, 24mm 48mm, the Mavic 2 Zoom delivers dynamic perspectives. Expressive shooting. Compared to a 24mm wide-angle lens, the 48mm telephoto lens compresses your perspective, enhancing the parallax effect for classic cinematic rendering. The 2x optical zoom lens is so powerful that it continuously adapts to your commands for smooth zoom control and automatic focus tracking. Dolly Zoom, a new quick shot from the Mavic 2 Zoom, automatically adjusts focus in flight, adding intense visual effect and distortion to your video. The Mavic 2 Zoom has a whole new feature. The camera takes 9 shots with its telephoto lens, 48mm, resulting in a 48MP super resolution photo. The Mavic 2 Pro is equipped with the all-new Hasselblad L1D20C camera, which is the result of an ongoing collaboration between DJI and Hasselblad. The L1D20C uses Hasselblad's unique Hasselblad Natural Color Solution, HNCS, 5 technology that delivers stunning 20-megapixel aerial photos with stunning color. Hasselblad cameras are recognized for their iconic design and uncompromising image quality. Since 1941, Hasselblad cameras have captured many of the world's most iconic images, including the first moon landing. After countless hours of research and testing, the Mavic 2 has been optimally redesigned to increase propulsion power, decrease power consumption and reduce noise. These subtle but important improvements, combined with an upgraded flight autonomy system, give you a smoother, quieter flight for more stealth and safety depending on your needs. 4K Ultra HD video, 48 megapixel photo, 1/2 inch CMOS sensor, max. 68.4 km/h, autonomy 34 min, active track 3.0, 3-axis gimbal. Surprise yourself with stunning 48 megapixel photos thanks to the 1/2 inch CMOS sensor. The 3-axis gimbal ensures your 4K 60 FPS videos runs. Meilleurs 2 allows you to make hyperlapses in 8K, create fascinating films by distorting time and space. The large battery capacity allows the drone to fly for 34 minutes. At the front, rear and bottom, sensors detect obstacles to prevent accidents. Sync 2.0 allows the video signal to be transmitted at a distance of 6 kilometers. You can live stream with full HD 1080p resolution. With Spotlight 2.0, the camera can fix an object in flight. Active Track 3.0 allows optimal centering of objects. With POI 3.0 you can dynamically track objects, people,